Hello, my little ones. How are you all? A very good morning to you all. I hope you are fine. I am Sujata ma'am and welcome to the session of numeracy space and pre-number concept light and heavy. Do you remember what did we learn yesterday? Yes, we saw some objects which were heavy and some objects which were light. कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैवी होते हैं जिसका वजन ज्यादा होता है और कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइट होता है जिसका वजन कम होता है. नाउ लेट अस सी an example of a watermelon and a plum. See children, there are two fruits, watermelon and plum. Watermelon, I'll pick up the, oh God, it's so heavy. And plum, I can hold it with my one hand. So now you can understand the thing which is heavy has more weight and the thing which is light has less weight. So watermelon is heavier than the plum and plum is lighter than the watermelon. After seeing the example of a watermelon and a plum, let us see some more examples of the pre-number concept, heavy and light. Now let us do some more examples of heavy and light. Heavy means जिसका वजन ज्यादा होता है, light means जिसका वजन कम होता है. ये क्या है? What is this? This is a set of two toothpaste. And what is this? This is a soap. Now see which one is heavier? This one is heavier. And the soap is lighter. So the toothpaste is heavier than the soap and the soap is lighter than the toothpaste. These are two bottles. One is a glass bottle and the other is a plastic bottle. Now this glass bottle is heavy and the plastic bottle is light. So which is heavy? The glass bottle is heavy and the plastic bottle is light. What is this, children? This is a tissue roll and this is a single tissue. What do you think? Which is heavier? I think the tissue roll is heavier than a single tissue paper. Tissue paper is very light than the tissue roll. Now what is this, children? This is a crayon box. And what is this? This is a pouch. Now tell me which is heavier? I think the crayon box is heavy. Oh my God. And this is very light. So this is light and this is heavy. Children, are you excited to do an activity related to heavy and light? Now let us start the activity. Children, can you see what is this? Wow, it is so exciting. There are some objects, they are set of objects like fevistick and straw, book and a thread spool, marker and cotton ball, big elephant and small elephant. And what is this? This is a weighing scale, but it is a handmade weighing scale. Now we will do the weight of all the objects and see which is heavier and which is lighter. Say kids, what is this? This is a handmade weighing scale. Now we will take some objects and weigh them with this. See, what is this? This is a fevistick. We'll put it in the scale. And now what is this? This is a straw. The scale will drop down where the thing is heavy. See, the fevistick is so heavy. Now we'll take some other objects. What is this? This is a cotton ball. We'll put it in one scale. And what is this? This is a marker pen. Now let us see which is heavier one. Oh wow, the marker is heavier. किसका वजन ज्यादा है? Marker का. Now see, what is this? This is a book. Let us keep it here. And what is this? This is a thread spool. Oh, what is it? The book is so heavy than the thread. Wow. Now I have a big elephant. I'll keep it in this. And this is a small elephant. Now let us see which elephant is heavier. Oh, the big elephant is heavier than the small elephant. The small elephant is lighter than the big elephant. Kids, did you enjoy doing the weight of these objects? I hope you enjoyed the activity of weighing the things in the weighing scale. So what did you find? Some things were heavy and some things were light, like Fevistick, book, marker and big elephant were heavy, and straw, thread spool, cotton and small elephant were light. Yesterday I explained you a worksheet. Now let us do the solution of that worksheet. So children, this is how you might have solved the worksheet. So you have colored the boxes red and blue accordingly. The basket with vegetable is heavy, so we have to color the box red, and the grapes are light, so we have to color the box blue. Sharpener is light and bag is heavy, so we have to color the box of sharpener blue and the box of bag red. Bus is heavy and cycle is light, so we have to color the bus box red and the box of the cycle blue. Donkey and snake. The donkey is heavy and snake is light, so we have to color the box of donkey red and the box of snake blue. So I hope you might have done the worksheet as I have explained. I hope the concept of heavy and light is clear in your mind. Now we'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. See you.